Hello friends, namaste, good morning, and I hope you are all good. I hope. Sorry. By the way, today I have come here. I welcomes you all to my YouTube channel, and the name of my YouTube channel is English Learning Kit. So guys, this is summer vacation is going on, and what should we do in this vacation? So I suggest you, let's utilize this beautiful time for our benefits. So first of all, how we will utilize this beautiful time? So you should think what you should do for your betterment. Here I have come to say you something about my channel and about my videos. By the way, um, friends, those who have already subscribed my channel, I really thank them, and those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and you will get to know the motivation, inspiration about how to speak in English, and you will know the English knowledge, how to you will increase your English knowledge, and how you will secure good mark in English. All I describe in my videos. So friends, don't waste your time, go and subscribe my channel, and if you want to know more about my videos, so please write your views in the comment section. So friends, today I am going to say about one of my incident which happened in my school career. Mm, Actually, I am going to tell you that how I was studying in my school days. By the way, when I was studying in class 8 to 10th, in that time I was actually not too good in study. I was genuinely average student, but I was trying my level best to score good marks and to increase my position. So I was very uh, industrious and laborious student in study, but somehow I managed to read my lessons, and gradually I recall that I was improving in my study. One day in the Hindi class, when the teacher told me to read one of the topic, I stand up and started reading. Literally, I am saying that I could not read Hindi topic fluently. After that class, I thought myself that other students are reading Hindi clearly and fluently, but why I am not able to read the Hindi fluently? Then what I did is, about 1 hour I studied that particular chapter again and again. Then I saw next day, whenever the teacher told me to read the chapter, I stand up and I was able to read that chapter fluently and clearly. From that day, I learned a lesson that if you really improve your study and reading, then you please read carefully, read again and again. If you are not able to understand any particular chapter, please don't hesitate to ask anybody, your friends or your teachers, so that your doubt can be clarified. In this way, you can improve in your study. In this way, I somehow completed class 10th and I secured first division. I passed first division in class 10th. So, dear student, my friends, if you are now studying in the any classes, if you really want to improve your um, knowledge and you are really want to increase your everything, then you please study more and more, labor hard, try to understand everything. If you are not able to understand anything, please don't hesitate to ask your teachers, so that you are you will be able to know and learn everything, and you will secure good marks, and your career will be set, and definitely you will one day get any job, and your life will be more easier, and you will get the financial freedom, so that your life will be more beautiful, you can live happily. So friends, I would not like to say any more. So this much for today, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like it, share it, and write comment in the comment section. So guys, friends, I remain here. Namaste, Khudafis, Salam. I will come again in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.